Yeah, I live here. Where are we? The historic Towers Mansion here in East Texas. Guys, can I call you guys? Is that alright? One of the hardest things about doing videos is feeling like you don't have like a really good space to do them. I've kind of gotten over wanting to be dressed and look and feel a certain way for the videos. I mean, I happen to be dressed today. So, I say so way too much. I need some wine. Happy week 7, Acne Beautiful. So, you guys, can I stop saying so? So, first things first. If you took out dairy for 2 weeks, congratulations. You rock. Ask yourself how you did for 2 weeks without dairy. What was it like? How did you feel? Was it emotionally stressful? Was it emotionally painful or tormenting for you to eliminate dairy? Or was it easy peasy lemon squeezy? Did you not think about it a bit? Second, and very importantly, did you notice any differences in your skin? And remember, I've talked about those differences to varying degrees. Maybe your skin just felt a little bit less itchy or irritated, or maybe your skin was just a little bit less red or inflamed, or maybe the sensation or painfulness of a pimple or pimples lessened, or maybe your skin wasn't as oily. If you noticed any little difference whatsoever as far as how your skin looked or felt, or your experience of your skin taking dairy out, this is the time to jot that down, take note of it. Please, if you're a woman, and I've said this before, if you're a woman, please also note for yourself where you are in your menstrual cycle. Or rather, where you were in your menstrual cycle when you had dairy out of your diet. I really do think that if you're struggling in the thick of it with acne, removing dairy can be an extremely beneficial thing for your skin. And if you've noticed any small difference in your skin during the 2 weeks that you remove dairy, then I would highly encourage you to keep it up, to take it out for another 2 weeks. Go for the gold, go for that month, and see if you have a real reduction in your acne. If you do, then you know that dairy for you is a piece of the pie. And with that knowledge, you can then use that as part of your game plan, as part of your strategy to move forward. And that's one tool in your tool belt then. And that means that every other little thing that you do, or big thing that you do, is going to help enhance your progress. Okay? Because not one thing that you do is going to be the be-all, end-all cure to it. So you want to kind of evaluate each thing that you do and see at this point in time how much value it adds to your Acne Beautiful, clear your skin from within journey. So that's the first thing I had for everyone, is our little dairy update check-in. So at this point, it is really up to you or not if you're going to continue with it. If you put dairy back in and you do experience more breakouts, more redness, inflammation, tenderness, itchiness, whatever it is, then you may say to yourself, you know what, I actually think it was making more of a difference than I even realized. And then you can go ahead and take it out again. But if you already are sure that you are noticing some difference, and or you feel confident enough in it that you want to keep on going, then go ahead and keep dairy out of the equation for another 2 weeks to complete 1 month dairy-free. As the creator of Acne Beautiful, I am your advocate. I am your coach. I am your go-to guru for all things acne and the clear skin journey. And with that comes the rest of Acne Beautiful, which is me. I am Acne Beautiful. And anybody who goes through the Acne Beautiful journey is Acne Beautiful as well. Acne Beautiful is life. Acne Beautiful is lifestyle. And Acne Beautiful is a freaking show. So while you're here, enjoy the show. So.
Stop saying so.
Acne Beautiful is here to tell you, you can live your life in ways, talking about lifestyle here, that make your acne worse. Looks worse, feels worse, is worse. Or you can live your life in ways that make your acne better. You can think, you can do, you can eat, you can apply things that exasperate your acne condition, that just make it harder to deal with, make it worse, make it feel awful. Or you can apply concepts, things, you can eat foods that progressively move you in the direction of clearer skin. In fact, the clearest version of your skin. Potentially freeing yourself of the condition called acne altogether for periods of time or permanently in your life. It's really important to understand that because the condition of acne is so varied in individuals, the answers to all of these questions that I know you have, they are so unique. It's partially why doing an Acne Beautiful virtual journey or guide like this is very general, because you have to be your own advocate to a large extent. You have to check in with yourself constantly. You even have to be like your own health coach. So what's it all about anyway? I really truly do believe, and have seen with my own two eyes, that so much of what goes into clearing your skin from within actually comes from someplace deep inside of you. That's why it's so important to use this time to get to know yourself on different levels and to understand what triggers your acne in your life. Besides things like food and lack thereof of nutrients in your diet and different topical products that may be pore clogging. I mean, all of that aside, stress aside, physiology aside, it's so helpful and important to understand yourself on a deeper level so that you know to some degree what bigger emotional pictures in your life lie behind your acne. For me, if I feel less secure in my life in some way, if my overall or general life sense of security diminishes, or my sense of self-worth diminishes in some way, that is a time when I am much more likely to experience a breakout, because my acne experience in so many ways is very much linked to my sense of self and how good or not I feel about myself. So the point is, lifestyle is a huge part of clearing your skin from within. And you can live your life in ways that can make your acne worse, can make your experience of your acne worse. Or you can live your life in ways that make your acne feel better. And that's not just actually physically clearing up your acne, but how it just kind of, makes you feel on a day-to-day basis. Basically, think of it like this. You can think, you can do, you can eat, you can apply things that can exasperate your acne condition and make the entire condition worse and more inflamed and just harder to deal with and harder to find an even playing field where you can move forward from. Or, you can use thoughts and things and concepts and foods and supplements and topicals that can really help improve your acne condition, progressively moving you in the direction of clearer and clearer skin and potentially freeing you from acne altogether for either periods of time or permanently in your life. And because the condition of acne is so varied from individual to individual, the answers to all of these questions are also so unique. As a coach, I provide the framework, the map, and the guidance to help each individual figure out how to reach the clearest version of their skin, and how to have the power and the tools at their disposal to feel confident in their skin, and to help individuals really know their skin well enough to navigate the world in such a way that allows them to circumvent, to avoid potential pitfalls that can create a flare-up of acne, activating an old acne lifeline that you were on, or keeping you on the current acne lifeline that you're on now. It's the difference between you staying on a lifeline where you have acne, where it's your permanent condition, or where you shift to lifelines where you have less acne, no acne, but you still fall back to the old patterns, the old lifelines with acne. And over here, this lifeline where you live a life largely free or completely free of acne. Now, generally getting from this lifeline with acne to this lifeline completely free of acne, it takes time. It takes adjustments. You don't just jump from here to there. Now, you could jump from here to there very quickly, but that really requires a great deal of intention, of knowing yourself, of being super connected to your emotions, grounded, rooted in everything that you are and in this earth and in this world, almost like you're having an epiphany, waking up from a dream. And you're going to have moments like that where you see that little glimpse into the future and you see that future version of yourself and it feels closer than it's ever felt before. And those moments, those are the driving forces behind your journey that keep you motivated, that keep you going, that actually keep the energy and the momentum around you moving forward so that you don't have to hammer away at this process day in and day out. That is the most important takeaway of the Acne Beautiful journey, no matter what stage you're at, no matter how much or how little you've cleared your skin, and regardless of what you've done so far, okay? That is like the biggest takeaway. So what does it all mean? What does it all mean? Why is acne such a common condition? Why do some people have it and some people don't? To be honest, we could look at these questions and find the answers all day long, but a lot of them don't really matter. They give us a sense of control and some tools to help us move forward and navigate the sort of muddy and tumultuous waters of acne. But the path of least resistance, the simplest solution forward, is always where the answer lies. And even though the journey to clear skin can be complex and varied and layered, you're just peeling back layers of yourself. You're just peeling back layers of that beautiful onion that is yourself. So learning how to connect with yourself, to find yourself, to love yourself, to accept yourself. There is really nothing more important. There's nothing greater. There's nothing more powerful for achieving the clear skin that you already have, that is yours. It's there for you for the taking. You don't need to beg for it. You don't need to fight for it. You don't need to be indignant about it. You don't need to constantly give up because nothing's working and hide in your house about it. All you need to do is show up for yourself every day, mirror or no mirror. Use the power of your awareness, of your heart, of the people around you, of those like myself who care, who have been there before, to help transform and transmute the energy around you so that you are constantly, repeatedly, efficiently aligning and realigning with your intention and holding it firm, snug, warmly in your heart, because that's where the emotion is. When you realize and you know that you do not need to beg for clear skin and you do not need to fight for clear skin, well, then you know that it's there for you, that it's right there for you, that it was with you all along. And all you do when you have that realization is you reach out and you take it, because it feels good right here. Take care of your beautiful mind, body, soul, heart. Take care of it. Be kind to yourself. Love yourself. Be kind to yourself. And your skin will thank you for it. And so it goes. I'll see you guys next time right here at Acne Beautiful with Morgan Elizabeth. And bye for now.